Hello and welcome back. During this video we will show you how to make your own airbrush thinners and cleaning solutions. Let's make some thinners first, using VMS thinner concentrate. Formulation help is provided on the label. Making your own, inexpensive acrylic thinner with VMS concentrates is very easy. First, take 2 parts of concentrate. In this case we have 2 parts, 20 milliliters each. Next we pour 3 parts of distilled water in the receptacle. In this case we have 3 parts, 20 milliliters each. This is what it looks like up close. The liquid is a bit milky at first. It's okay, it means that your concentrate is the real thing. It will clear up in 1 minute after mixing. Simply stir it or shake the bottle. The thinner is ready. Pour the freshly made thinner in your favorite bottle and you are set. This universal thinner will work with any water-based acrylic paint brand. With 1 bottle, that is 200 milliliters of concentrate, you will be able to mix exactly 500 milliliters of airbrush thinner. You will save big time on both the product and shipping. Check this out, we've used a small fraction of our concentrate bottle to mix 100 milliliters of thinner that will last you weeks if not months. Let's mix some airbrush cleaning fluid. We will be using VMS Cleaners Pro Concentrate. Formulation help is provided on the label. Cleaners have a different formula. We just need 1 part of concentrate. In this case it's 20 milliliters. Now we pour 4 parts of tap water, that is 80 milliliters. You don't need to use professional chemical beakers seen in this video. You can use any plastic or glass container to formulate. That's that. Let's pour the airbrush cleaning solution into our handy bottle. With 1 bottle, that is 200 milliliters of concentrate, you will be able to mix a whopping 1000 milliliters of airbrush cleaning solution. Check this out, we've used a small fraction of our concentrate bottle to mix 100 milliliters of cleaner that will last you a long time. Thanks to using VMS concentrates, you won't waste time figuring out the chemistry, looking for the right ingredients and testing. This is as easy as pouring gas into a car, but you are making the cheaper gas yourself, while others pay premium on pre-made products. Thanks a lot for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.